Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM, specifically the 32GB single stick running at 5600 MHz with CL40 timings. This memory module is designed to bring both performance and aesthetics to your desktop build. First impressions are definitely positive. The Vengeance RGB DDR5 features a sleek, gray heat spreader that looks great in any system. But the real star of the show is the dynamic 10-zone RGB lighting. Each module boasts 10 individually addressable LEDs, creating a vibrant and customizable light show. The panoramic light bar ensures that the RGB goodness is visible from virtually any angle. Beyond the looks, this RAM is packed with features aimed at maximizing performance. It includes onboard voltage regulation, which allows for finer control and more stable overclocking through Corsair's ICUE software. This is a significant improvement over relying solely on motherboard control, offering greater precision when pushing your system to its limits. Compatibility is also a key strength. The Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 supports both AMD Expo and Intel XMP 3.0, ensuring seamless integration with the latest motherboards from both manufacturers. Whether you're running an AMD X670 series or an Intel 700 series chipset, this RAM is designed to deliver peak performance. In terms of real-world performance, the 5600 MHz speed and CL40 timings offer a noticeable improvement over older DDR4 memory. Applications load faster, multitasking is smoother, and gaming performance gets a boost. The module is optimized for the latest DDR5 motherboards, ensuring maximum bandwidth and tight response times. The single 32GB stick configuration is interesting. While some users might prefer a dual-channel kit for potentially higher performance in certain workloads, a single stick offers a few advantages. It leaves room for future upgrades, allowing you to add another 32GB stick down the line for a total of 64GB. It can also simplify compatibility, as running a single stick can sometimes be more stable than running multiple sticks, especially at higher speeds. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 is a fantastic option for anyone looking to upgrade to the latest memory standard. It combines stunning aesthetics with impressive performance and a range of features designed to enhance your computing experience. The onboard voltage regulation, AMD Expo and Intel XMP 3.0 support, and optimized design make it a top contender in the DDR5 market. If you're building a new system or looking to upgrade your existing one, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.